So make free money, tips on how to make free money, and you can also call it free PayPal money, is what I'm gonna share tips about in this video as well. I did another one about free PayPal money a while back, few days back, but I'm gonna show you a site where you can join for free and you never have to pay a dime. It's pretty much global. It's not something you maybe will get rich by, but you can make a decent amount of money as they have improved the pay plan recently. But more about that shortly. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell if you like this kind of tips. And let's head over to this one site. So it is the All Solution Network that I'm talking about. It's been around for several years. Here's one of the pages, but you get several pages to use for your promotions. It might not look that fancy or such, but it does convert, it does work. So how does this work? Well, when you take trials of different products, you don't have to fulfill those trials. If you cancel your trial, you earn points, but that's not everything, because they have different kind of services that you advertise through your website as well. Like for instance, credit repair. You see over here we have hosting and all that, and now for a limited time they have a deal. Your commission are based on points you make, and now you triple your points if you go for a subscription about web hosting through them. There's a lot of offers they are offering, and you do not have to go for the offer and get and pay money for something like the hosting I just mentioned. But if you need something, why not buy it through your site, and then you earn money by buying stuff from this site. You earn when buying at Malwart, and when those you sponsor does the same, and so on. Now they have team bonuses when you sponsor new members, but you can use it without sponsoring anyone, and it's still free. I have made some commission from it. I didn't get rich, but then again I haven't focused on it all that much lately. But you still can make some extra money for free inviting others, and maybe you can pay up some bills you need to pay or save up for later. And here you can see other offer, discount insurance people might be interested in, different products, how to grow your young, all kind of stuff. But you can get started for free below. About the payments, you get paid. You can get paid to PayPal, among other ways. So, and you get paid once a month. And this, if this sounds interesting as a way of making money for free without any cost, so then click the link below, and thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.